Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you the new digital prints we have this week in our shop. So the last 2 weeks we had some snow globes. We had one with the Christmas tree, one with the Santa Claus, and this week the new snow globe is one with the little reindeer. If you've noticed, a lot of our characters are the same as what we did in the past, but just we had the Santa Claus face and now he's like a full being. And then we had the Santa deer face with the mask, without the mask. We had one deer that was full body, and then the same little scarf with trees and snowflakes. So you have the 2-inch one, and then you have the 1.5 inch, the 1.25 inch, and the 1 inch. So you can punch these out or you can cut them out. So you can have them on a round shape or cut them out. And I'm going to show you what I did. And then we have the mega ones. So right now they're on sale. It's a package of 3. Normally it would be $6 and they're on for $3. They're 50% off. Now, in a couple of days, I'm going to have another video for the Brothers Scan and Cut to show you how I'm using it to cut these. Now, I can cut them right up against the black line like this, or I can cut it so it's like a die cut, like this. So I'll show you how I do that on my Brothers Scan and Cut. And of course, then I turn them into like little snow globes. And at the end of that video, I show you my preferred way, because I did a few ways and then there's one way that I like the most. So I'm loving this. So for these, I cut, these out, but I'm going to venture out and try to cut some of our other die cuts, because if I can do it with this, I can do it with all the rest of them. So those are new, the deer. And then last year we came up with Christmas lights. And this year what we did was we kind of updated and added some colors, because when I started doing my December daily, I was like, oh, I wish I had yellow bulbs and even brown bulbs, because I will do like brown and pink and brown and yellow. So here are our 2021 new colors. So we have Christmas bulbs with a gray bottom, and then we have Christmas bulbs with our silver bottom and then gold. So the mega, and then the 2-inch, and then the 3 sizes. So we have them in the brown, the dark green. Those are all some new colors. Dark green, and then like a gold. It's like, I think we called it dark yellow, but it's like a gold. And then a light brown. Light brown. And then we have like a bright yellow or more yellow. And then we have the mint, and that's exclusive for my patrons. The mint color. Okay, then he updated the gold ones too. He added all the new 2021 colors. Now you can get the one sheet or you can get the bundles. And they're called bundle color 2021 or something like that. So we have the brown, the dark green, and as you can tell, the other one is more like a rounded Christmas light, and this one is more like pointy. Then we have the green, the dark yellow, or kind of like the goldish color, and then the light brown in the 3 sizes, and of course the more yellow or brighter yellow. I guess some of them I printed more than once. And then we have the mint color, which is an exclusive color for my patrons. But that's it. Those are all the new digital prints in our store this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.